All right, guys, so we're here in a homeowner's house and we're having some issues with some freezing pipes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you kind of a quick video, all sorts of different things that you can do to help prevent your pipes from freezing, especially in the cold weather that we're having right now. So this homeowner actually purchased a space heater to put in here. That's a great call. It's really good to keep consistent temperature in a room, especially when you're having cold weather snaps, like I said, like we're having right now. It's also a good thing to keep the cabinet doors open. What that does is it allows airflow to travel through. You're not isolating the area, you're actually allowing the heat from the rest of the home to kind of help counteract any cool areas that you're having. Another really good tip that you could do is just to leave a small little drip. What that does is you're allowing the water to actually continue to move. If things are sitting still, that's when the water will freeze up inside of your pipes. Allowing the water to pass through keeps everything moving. That can help prevent things as well. You can actually feel a small draft coming in through the hole where the supply line for the toilet's coming from. If you put your hand up to it, I can actually feel cool air in there, so that tells me that it's actually poorly insulated. So let's go take a look outside and see what's going on.